This is the Genesis GV80. As part of its driver assistance system, the Genesis GV80 offers forward attention warning. This system uses an in-car camera to detect if the driver is fatigued or distracted while driving and can provide an audible alert and warning message. The camera is located just behind the steering wheel, on top of the steering column. Be sure to avoid impacting the camera or covering its view, as the forward attention warning system may then not operate correctly. The system may also not function correctly if the driver is wearing certain types of sunglasses, is in an improper seating position, or has their face partially covered. To enable or disable this feature, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driver Attention Warning, and then press the checkbox. Note that even if the forward attention warning system is disabled through the infotainment system, it will still function when Smart Cruise Control or Highway Driving Assist is operational. Should the system determine that the driver is too distracted or fatigued to drive, a chime will sound and the gauge cluster will display an alert message. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.